Is it possible to burn the 14 hours? No, right? So you should be very careful in burning the hours, assigning the hours. Okay. I'll
Utilize, right?
explain you in Jira tool how we'll assign the tasks, how we'll assign the Jira or in Rally tool, how we'll assign the tasks and how we'll give the work. Okay. So team Scrum Master will look into it. He will verify all the tasks are closed and he will give it to. He will make sure to be ready for sprint review. He will Scrum Master will send a mail to all the stakeholders, business owners, all other persons who are involved directly or indirectly in this related project work to come for the demo. So everybody come and sit in the demo, and QA person will give the demo of the user stories, and business owner or somebody will ask some questions. They have their own doubts. How does this work in performance? How what is the performance of this one? What is the database for this one? How the data comes here? When the many questions they have, so they will ask. Every question need to be answered by QA person, or if QA person is not aware of all those questions, if any question answers are known to developer, he will answer, or product owner will answer the questions. Okay, so he will answer. So everything is done. Our sprint is completed. Next, what? Scrum Master will conduct a meeting with all the team members to verify what has been gone well. So in last sprint we have done 5 stories. So what he will do, like he will make sure he will conduct one meeting. He will conduct one meeting. In that meeting, he will ask all the team members to participate. Dev, QA, all the team members. He will say, we have 5 stories, okay, and each story, one story is of 3 point, one story is 2 stories of 8 points, one story is of 5 points, okay, one story is of 13 points. So he will ask the team members what went well in the last sprint, what need to be improved in the last sprint, what did not work, what did not work. So he will ask the team members, see what went well, what went wrong, what are the improvement areas. Okay, he will ask the team members to write it. He will send a link. He will ask us to write it or answer. He will ask the questions, or we need to explain what went well. So we will team members say we are done a good job. We are done as a team. We have done a good job. What went wrong? um, um, you are unable to deliver one user story because wrong estimation we have done. We haven't understood the story properly. So from next time onwards, we should participate in sprint planning and discuss more something. What are the improvement areas? So what need to be improved to do in the next sprint better? How better we can perform in next sprint? So for that, what need to be done? Okay, so the meeting which conducted by the Scrum Master after the sprint is called as retrospective. Sprint retrospective. Okay, so he will conduct the sprint retrospective meeting and he will explain what need to be done. Okay, so there he will make a note of all these things, and once the next sprint is completed, he will verify to the past retrospective meeting points whether we are being, see we have suggested some improvement areas, right? So he will ask us to implement these improvement areas in our next sprint. So once the next sprint is done, sprint 2 is done, he will verify whether in sprint two's retrospective he will go through the sprint 1 retrospective points, and he will ask whether we have implemented in sprint 2 or not, and we could improve it or not, or still it is an open one. So how it is, or still more any improvements need to be done, he will ask us and we need to answer. Okay, so this is a complete life cycle of a agile process, agile methodology. So starting from product owner, product backlog, we have a sprint planning, we have, then after sprint planning we'll move the stories to sprint backlog. From the sprint backlog we'll design, we'll make a mark or break out the sprint into user story into the tasks, multiple tasks. We will have a 2 weeks time. Okay, after 2 weeks time, daily we have a scrum meeting. In scrum meeting we will explain last 24 hours what we have done, next 24 hours what we need to be done. After that we'll have a sprint review. Before sprint review, we'll make sure all the tasks are closed, all the tasks are closed, and we'll go to sprint review. After sprint review, we are done, is completed. Scrum Master will conduct a sprint retrospective meeting. In the retrospective meeting, we will share our thoughts of what done well. We will give applause. We will give kudos to the team members. Say Deepak has done a great work. Mohan has done a marvelous job in this sprint. He has found really very good bugs, which are very, very severe issues. So we will give the kudos to the team members. All those things will be done in the sprint retrospective. So this is a complete cycle of a Scrum or Agile. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
The voice is breaking. Can you repeat?
Um, uh, there is some unstable in my internet, I think. I think due to that. Yeah. So now clear? So this is how the complete agile framework is. This is what we call it as agile framework. Okay. So the terminologies we need to remember here is product backlog, product owner, sprint planning meeting, sprint backlog, daily scrum meeting, sprint review meeting, and sprint retrospective. Okay. Clear? So if we are clear and good for now, in next class, we'll go for Kanban and we will start Jira. Okay.
Okay. Did you record this complete session today?
Pardon?
Did you record this complete session today?
Yeah,
Because I
I
think.
have recorded. I'll send you.
Oh, okay, okay, great, great.
I'll send
Because
you.
I think this is very, very important for me. I mean,
Yeah.
this is kind of new thing for me. I have not done it earlier. So.
Yeah, I have recorded.
Okay, sure.
Sir, is there any simplified flow diagram of Agile other than this, what you have shown
Okay.
here?
Here in this image is very in detailed, very means once you go through this image, okay, all complete scrum is there, complete agile is there here. Simplified method means you have only two things, only just like uh, this one will be the sprint backlog, this circle will be there, and this finished work. Okay, this is not complicated image. You just need to understand it. Okay, in this image we have covered everything. Everything is there related to agile. Just if you remember this image, you can explain complete agile.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you guys. Monday's class we will discuss about the advantages of. We'll discuss about Kanban and agile advantages, practical issues, and we'll go for Jira tool on Monday. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Right. Thank you guys.
Thank you.